What's up guys, I'm Reynat and I wanna show you the new Project Fiora skin. I hope you like the video and let's get started. And I just wanna warn you that this is the work in progress skin, so this is probably not the final version. They might change it a little bit, so let's get started.
I am an artist with a sword, in more ways than one. I like you. I hate to kill you. Others try. I succeed. To be a challenge.
So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it.
Has destroyed a turret.
And this skin, yeah, I like it a lot. And maybe I'll even buy it even if I don't like Fiora very much. But yeah, the skin is very nice. So yeah, enjoy the project skins. I'll see you next time. Bye.